Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and I'm going to try this again. I made a video on how to go to Screencast-O-Matic and how to download or not download, but really open the free Screencast-O-Matic player. And then I found a tutorial that kind of halfway tells you what to do. And then I wanted to show you how to upload a video. So you're going to end up with 3 different videos kind of piecemeal trying to put it together, which kind of shows you how much technology I actually know, which is enough just to be dangerous. So let's pretend this is my finished EXPO PowerPoint, and I'm going to be writing on this. So let's see. So there's a video of how to access Screencast-O-Matic and how to start a PowerPoint video, and it's in the next slide. And you're going to click play, and that's the one that I actually made. I'm not going to play it in this one. Maybe I should. Now I can't make it go forward. Okay, there it is. Let's see if it'll let me play. This is actually a video. I don't know where it says that I can play it. I don't think I can play it here. Oh, there it is. There's the play. Okay, so here goes.
This is Ross, and today I'm going to show you how to make a video out of your PowerPoint presentation. So what you see here is well, I didn't make this presentation. This was one of the templates that you can get on PowerPoint. But let's pretend this is my presentation. So you've done all of the work. You put in all of your slides. All of your slides are here. And you're ready to narrate your PowerPoint presentation. I highly suggest that you have everything that you want to say written down in another file, maybe a Word file or something, or maybe you can just write it down on a piece of paper. Because what's on your screen, what's on your PowerPoint presentation, is only a snapshot of everything that you're going to say. Okay? It should just be some visuals and then some bullet points to kind of cue us in as we listen to you. Okay? So this is my completed PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to go to...
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop it right there because I'm not exactly sure if you can hear me or not hear me, but I'm going to give you guys the link to that video. It's only, what, is it 2 minutes long, if that? Yeah, it's about 2 minutes long. So you'll be able to see that, but that's how you get started. No. Okay, good. Sorry. And then I found another video that was like a tutorial video on Screencast-O-Matic and PowerPoint. And it's on the next slide, but here are some of the tips about that video because it's not exactly what I needed. So let's see here. So don't worry about the pro tips. It gives you guys pro tips all the way through this thing. Don't worry about the pro tips. It's about 6 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes long. It says open Screencast-O-Matic and don't change any of the settings. It talks about what kind of screen you have. Full screen is fine. Your laptop microphone is fine. If you have a microphone in your headset, you could use that, but you don't have to by any stretch. Don't worry about the widescreen format. You don't need to use your webcam. It goes into, you'll see after about 2 minutes and 23 seconds, it talks about how to use your webcam and where to put your little face on the screen. You don't have to. Don't worry about it. I just want to hear you narrating over your PowerPoint. It also talks about trimming your video at the beginning and the end. We don't need to do that either. And if you want to stop watching at 2:23, that's perfectly fine too. So let's go forward and see if we can see. This is what the video looks like, and I'll put a link to that as well. And then I wanted to show you. So when you are finished with your video and you click end, which it shows you in the Screencast-O-Matic tutorial, you're going to save it as a file. Okay? So this is one of your options. You're going to save it as a file. And when you do that, you need to do 2 things before you hit the publish button. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to name it right here. Okay? And you are going to name it. Here, let's go to the next slide. What I named it was my last name, EXPO presentation, and then it has .mp4. You're not going to mess with that. Just leave that there. But you're going to have your last name, EXPO presentation. Keep in mind you will be going back and editing this. You'll probably do 2 or 3 versions of this video. So I'm not sure if you want to version it or how you want to do that, or just start with this and we'll figure it out later. But so that you can find this, because one of the most common questions I have is, Mrs. Ross, I did it and I can't find it. You're going to want to make sure that you save it in your OneDrive or OneDrive right here. So I saved it in my OneDrive. I saved it in Science, and then I have an EXPO file in Science, and I saved it in that so I know where to find my file. You need to save it somewhere where you're going to be able to find it. Okay? Okay, and once you do that, you're going to click on the Publish button. And when you click on the Publish button, it will give you a status. So it's going to take a little bit of time, probably 2 or 3 minutes, to actually upload this MP4 video. And when it's finished, you'll see, hey, it's done. What do you want to do? Do you want to play it so that you can see what it looks like? Do you want to copy the path? I'm not exactly sure what that even means, but I just clicked done and then I was done. So I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So that's kind of how you do a video in PowerPoint. I'm going to put links to all of these in the final outline assignment, and we'll talk about it in our group discussions this week.